Now let's learn how to make the increase stitch. And the good news is you actually know how to make the increase stitch, because the definition of it is that it's 2 single crochet stitches in the same hole. So here we've made 1 single crochet stitch so far. If you turn to look at the rim of your piece, you can see the V that you just made, the V that is at the end of the loop that is around the hook. And we had just made that single crochet stitch in the V that's marked by this differently colored stitch marker. So we know that we need to put our hook in exactly the same spot to turn this single crochet stitch into an increase stitch. So we're going to put the hook in that hole from the front to the back and make sure that the hook is in front of the working yarn. It should look like we've got 3 strands of yarn on the hook. We're going to yarn over by bringing the yarn over the top of the hook from the back to the front. And now we're going to do all those fancy tricks where we pull the piece and the hook away from each other and we rotate the tip of the hook down to easily clear the first 2 loops on the hook. We're going to bring that loop up onto the hook, making sure to bring the loops all the way down the shaft and pulling the hook out a little, because we want to get in that nice practice of making loose enough stitches. I would recommend truly in the beginning, every time you make a stitch, try this out. Take out the hook completely. 1, you'll see you won't lose all your work, and 2, this is how you'll make sure your stitches are loose enough. Okay, now to finish the single crochet stitch, yarn over again, and then pull it through both loops on the hook, like so. And now you can verify that, because now you can see you've got 2 stitches that you've made.